Ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seatbelt. This is the famous Mela Ujua pot. Physical story behind this road. As per the story goes, there used to be a demon king, Narakhasur. He fell in love with beautiful goddess Kamakhya and he wanted to marry her. And now he was so adamant that she was not able to refuse also. So she made a excuse, or rather a condition, to marry him if he can construct a route from the valley till the top of the mountain to her temple overnight, that is before the sunrise. She will agree to marry him. So the Narakhasur, he started building this road, and he was almost finishing the road, and the goddess, she was afraid that we will be able to construct this road before dawn, before the sun rises. So she, in consultation with Vishnu, made a plan. And so according to the plan, she raised a rooster, a cock, and made it crow at night. So it was midnight actually, it was not dawn. However, since the crow, because of the crowing of the rooster, the cock, she declared that it's already morning, dawn, and Narakhasur is not able to complete the road by the time, by the night. So she refused to marry him, and he was so angry that he chased the cock and killed it. And by the time it was actually sunrise, so he failed in his attempt to marry her. Later on, Vishnu, in a fight with Narakhasur, killed him. So this is the story, and this very path, Mela Ujua path, was considered to be made by this demon king Narakhasur. This Mela is the lower portion part of the Assamese dress. On this road, if you want to walk, you have to raise that lower portion of the Mela. Hence it is called Mela Ujua. That means to raise the Mela.
पार्वती बोली शंकर से, सुनिए भोलेनाथ जी, रहना है हर एक जन्म में मुझे तुम्हारे साथ जी, वचन दीजिए ना छोड़ेंगे कभी हमारा हाथ जी, ओ भोलेनाथ जी, ओ शंभुनाथ जी, ओ भोलेनाथ जी, ओ शंकर